Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my decor that I did for one of my friends. I used about 10 packs of these 12-inch balloons. Using my balloon pump, I just blow them, and I also used this 12-inch of yellow and also a 9-inch of the blue. So I just went ahead and using the pump, I blew my balloons and I tied them up. Using the pump makes it easier rather than using your mouth. So I'm just going to go ahead and blow about 10 packs of the white ones to do the base of the balloon ash. So more of the white ones and then a couple of the blue ones. The blue ones were 9 inches, so I just blew them a little bit, not so much, but the white ones were 12 inches, so I kind of blew them a little larger because I wanted them to have two different sizes. So make sure to tie your balloon really tight, if not it's gonna decompress. So I also did some 9 inches for the yellow ones, so I kind of blew it not quite all the way, just to match the size of the blue ones. And I went ahead and attached the backdrop on the wall using some pins. So I'm going to use this stand to hang my balloons, and I'm going to tie the balloons into two and just kind of wrap it around the stand. As you can see, it came out looking beautiful. So I used a fish line to attach the balloons together to be able to make the ash. So I missed out the video to show you guys. I did that in the background, but next time hopefully I'm going to show you guys exactly how I got this nice looking ash, and I attached them to the backdrop stands, and I just kind of put them up to each other. And I used like some glues to kind of fill out the little space at the side, some balloon glues, and it turned out really nice. And I used about 10 packets of the white ones and just about a pack of the yellow one and 1 pack of the blue one. And the blue ones and the yellow ones were 9 inches and the white ones 12 inches. Thanks for watching.